start by telling me about last year, man. So tell me about how the year ended. Just give me some. Give me some reactions.
Eyes up! Eyes up! Eyes up! All right, here we go. Couple things. All right, we're going to have special teams here for about 15 minutes. I need your undivided attention, okay? Those of you that are competing for a job, okay? Those of you that might be considered a backup right now, okay? Or those of you that are considered a starter, okay? This play in football is very, very important, special teams. It's the difference from winning a game or losing a game based on field position. I think we saw that in our state championship game.
That's a problem this season, man.
The 2019 Brother Rice Crusaders have a lot to play for this season. A good majority of the team that played in the state championship game last year has graduated as seniors, leaving big expectations. Most notably, defensive lineman Justin Jefferson.
Right after state, we came to work. We came to work out with Coach Kano. Went to workouts, and every day, just like from those 6 months to now, just worked in the morning, just worked more.
Coach Brian Badke returns for his 8th season as head coach, hoping to lead the Crusaders back to the championship game. Jefferson carries a big weight on his shoulders, but feels more than ready to take on the challenge.
What's the defensive lineman gonna get for?
I would give you, a drink and some cookies too. And, it's my cheat day. I feel like just the way I played from last year, it like turned me into a leader. So people looked up to me by my performance. Luckily, I had people behind me to like look for as like a leader, like Larry Washington or Johnny Bean or especially Joe Fitz, who told me how to lead.
Remember last year we talked about this time of year, we said we could be the best defense in the state of Illinois. Were we the best defense in the state of Illinois last year? Yes. Without a doubt, without question. Do I believe we could do that again this year? 100% without a doubt, right? Okay, but we need a little something to take us over that hump, right? We gave up 13 points in the state championship game. That was 10 too many. So when he says 3 turnovers per practice, we get less than 3 in a practice, then we're going to have to hold ourselves accountable and we're going to have to run.
Let's go, baby! Game 1! Let's go!
There you go, there you go, there you go.
There we go!
There you go. Waylon. Down here! Red zone, 7-on-7!
Oh!
The ball, go. Get to the line. Quick. Do it again. Take command of the huddle, Benny. Take command of the huddle and break out. Hey.
never read him. You went just like this. You kept going that way. You assumed. Thank you. Good job, thank you.
Great job coming out competing today. Give yourself a round of applause. That was a great job. Great job. All right? But you guys, pitchers, I want you guys to wear your shoulder pads. Shoulder pads. All right? You're going to wear your shoulder pads, all right?
Picture time is always fun for the players, but the atmosphere in the room felt like game day. These Crusaders have been itching to take the field again since last November. Coach Backey and company have spent weeks preparing these young men for success. And on August 31st, 2019, everything they had worked for was coming to fruition.
We understand after these first 2 games, like the competition is only going to get tougher because we play CCL opponents. We play opponents who's known for, their football team, and we're known for our football team too. So we just trying to, battle it out and have a good season and finish it with a ring, state ring.
Game of Rose Lake. 48 minutes. 48 minutes, everything you got. Everything you got. You understand? We finish. We start and we finish.
Not enough to make a big hit. Bring him down.
Hillcrest, Hawk 20, Brother Ice Crusader 12.
11 helmets.
Go, boys. Tell me where you're going in, all right? You have to watch it.
Listen up. Whatever it is, all right, first game jitters, okay? Inexperience, whatever you want to do, all right? We're in a football game here, all right? They're a very good football team. What are we going to do now? That half is over. We have to move forward. Teams, all right? So you are all in here, okay, because you probably are going to be on some type of special team. Throughout the game, certain guys get hurt, all right? Certain situations happen, other guys got to step up.
The Crusaders were 1-0. They are a spirited unit filled with talent, passion, and energy. Their road to the state still has a long way to go.